Good morning and welcome to today's video. We are just sitting outside the Route 62 Motor Resort and we're going to take you for a ride through the Ozark Mountains. So this is the Saddle Up with Sandoval ride. I'm Adam Sandoval and we do this ride for charity every year, and one person who attends the ride goes home with a new motorcycle, and I'll show you what they're going to be winning today here in a little bit. We've got the usual suspects in the house, like my road captain Pamela. We've got my friend Rob all the way in from Virginia Beach. The weather's beautiful, the resort is great. I'm riding a 2024 road ride with a complete carbon kit all over it. My other road captain Jay's ready to go. And a bunch of other friends who came in ready to ride, raise some money for charity, and hopefully take home a new bike. All right, let's get over to the meet and greet and get this ride started. Okay, the lot is starting to fill up here at Pig Trail Harley Davidson. People hoping for their chance to take home an FXR, an absolutely classic motorcycle. And I'll show it to you before the end of this video. But one of the most special treats I've got this entire weekend, and we're prepared, is the Cruzy Original. Boys in the house. That's and right. If you guys don't know Cruzy, which you certainly should, but if you don't, stunt rider, he's got an online store doing motorcycle parts, all kinds of rad stuff. Well, my hat's broke, it's splitting. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it keeps coming off my head. So it's time to get a new hat. I'm gonna go in here and see what they got for Pig Trail merch. These are all Harley Davidson hats. I actually really do like this hat. There they are. Now the question is, Arkansas Iron, Eureka Springs Harley Davidson.
And we got a brand new #1 song.
Yeah, I think that's a good hat for me. I don't wear white ever. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, now we got some bikes and a stunt show too. Let's check it out. How are they doing?
This lot is terrifying and they're killing it. They got some balls, these boys, for sure. Ready.
Here we go, on the road. Look at the police shut it down for us. Thank you to the Eureka Springs Police Department, man. They're always out here looking out for us, and you know, they don't give the bikes a hard time in this town, which is one of my favorite things. You know, don't be an asshole, be respectable, and the police are going to give you some room, some leeway, and that's a nice thing to have, because you know, too many rallies get ruined because, you know, they try to make it into a revenue from a ticket situation from the law, and it's just not the case here in Eureka, man. That to me is one of the things that really truly helps a motorcycle community grow, because people just want to come out and have a good time. You don't want to have to worry about every little incident getting you a ticket. Now entered the downtown section of Eureka Springs and pretty much taking over the whole road. People are just standing around watching the parade of hundreds of bikes come rolling through. And this is another thing I love about this town. Not only is it great motorcycle riding all around here, really truly the best between the Rockies and the Smokies, but also the architecture is just really neat. Like, it's just a cool town to look at visually and visit, and it's just full of like really neat shops and unique stores and restaurants and bars. It is 100% a super rad town full of different festivals, and there's just always something going on around this area. This here's the Mud Street Cafe, probably my favorite place to get breakfast right there. That place is phenomenal. Just a cool town through and through. Old Cruzy. Now he's filming me. I'll have to go watch his video, see what he puts out. And this is what the riding's like out here, right? It's just back-to-back switchbacks, elevation changes, perfect road conditions. I mean, you can see him switching back up there again. And just like that, we have made it to Pig Trail Harley Davidson, and we're gonna give one of these riders a new motorcycle. Here is the prized bike. Beautiful black and gold with the red pinstripe. That is probably one of the coolest paint sets Harley Davidson has ever put out. Look at that thing. It's in gorgeous condition. 1993 FXLR. That bike is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and it's just clean. Look at the shine on that thing. Okay, we are ready to give this motorcycle away. One of these people in this showroom right now are going to win this bike If you would, whoever's planning on winning this bike, if you just raise your hand, make a little noise, that would be good for me. We will see. No, Cruzy, I've done told you you can't win, man. You cannot win this bike.
Not really fair.
It's not fair, but life is not fair. I can't win either, man. It's okay. Here comes Kyle with the tickets.
Spin.
Give it a spin.
Moment of truth. Everybody get your purple tickets out. 3, 4, 2. Yeah! Everybody raise a hand that's left. All right. 3. We got another?
We got another?
1,
All right.
2, 3.
All right, get in
All
here.
right, come on in.
Come on up.
We got 5.
Is this 1 in 5 wins it?
Yeah. Hey, for those of you that don't know, an FXR is one of the coolest machines on the planet, all right? 1! Woo! All right. Now you gotta prove it.
That's a winning ticket. Congratulations, man.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
dude. Hope you like your new bike.
Jonathan?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hell yeah. That was fun.
Dude, that was awesome. I like the suspense at the end. See, everybody was turning red standing there waiting.
It was close. All right, now we are making our way back to the Route 62 Motor Resort in Eureka Springs, and this is Highway 62, and this is over 150 curves in like 14 miles from Rogers to the Route 62 Motor Resort. It's one of the twistiest roads in the area, and I've been meaning to come up with a name for this road. Maybe if y'all can think of one, you can tell me down in the comments. But this thing twists and winds through these Ozark mountains pretty wildly. It's a great motorcycle road. Cindy rocking it on the trike over there. And we are back. That was a nice ride, right? Might just have to jump in the pool.